Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you about Estee Lauder new fast repair advanced night repair serum. So basically, I wanted to tell you about this product. It is whether it's worth it or not because it is very much expensive, pretty much expensive product, and it's like you have to pay so many bucks to buy this. So I'll give you the details about this product and whether it's worth it or not, and what is the pricing of this product. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started into the video. But before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and support me. So let's get started. So friends, this product is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex is one of the powerful serum that everyone is looking for, especially for the people who have signs of aging. And also, despite of the fact that along with the aging, even if the skin is very like you lost the moisturizer and you want it to be smooth and supple, then this is highly recommended. So I would suggest like this is for all skin types, basically for combination oily and even dry skin. So you might have a question like for oily skin there will be some kind of eczema or breakouts on the skin, but still this doesn't form any clogged pores, nothing, and it even won't make your acne go worst. It is very good for all skin types. And also let's go and check what this product claims, like what it tells, like okay, my product will give these kind of benefits. So I'll give my honest review at the end of the video, so what actually worked for me. So before going to that, now we'll see like what this product claims. It claims like it is ideal for aging signs, and if you have any like loss of firmness, if you skin lost its elasticity and it is like not so tight enough, so for that purpose also it is recommended. And also if you have a lines and wrinkles around the mouth or eyes, this is then also it is suggestible. And also if your skin is very dry and it is looking like dull and there is no radiance, then for that kind of skin also it is recommended. And also like if you have a pigmentations, for some people they don't even have the even skin tone. So for forehead it will be of different color, and around the mouth we can see the skin tone is different compared to the cheeks. So for that people also this product is very ideal. So let's see like how many, after using how many days we can see the visibility effective of this product. So basically they suggest it's 3 weeks. So it makes all these claimed things visible within the 3 weeks of regular usage. And also if you check on the reviews, like what the people who used already has told, they also agree, like 88% of the women said they have more bright, radiant and skin which is soft and youthful. Okay, so coming to this how to use, it is like just one dropper. You don't need to really take it so much, you just can take one drop and you can start using it. So with this, if you just apply it over the every night, so it is suggestible to apply this every night. And how you have to do is like you just have to make sure your face is clean, and you can apply this face serum on the cleaned skin at night time. And if you want you can apply moisturizer, but I didn't apply any moisturizer, I just applied this serum and gently massage all over your face and throat and rest for the day. So also, so this is the, I don't suggest this product to use in the day because we'll be going out and we'll have so much other pollution. So it's actually helps in every night time you can apply this. And coming to like bottle, this is the minimal quantity that is available, so all others are like above this. So this here I am showing you is 7 ml and it costed me around 1250 rupees. This is quite available in Nykaa, or you can even find in Amazon, whereas the other mls will be like very high. 20 ml comes to some 3200. So I don't recommend high amount of quantity at the beginners. So just try with the sample one, and you can actually see through the bottle for the liquid. So I have started with the 7 ml bottle. Now I would like to share my experience, like what are the problems I have and whether it worked on me. So coming to my problems, I have a dehydration problem. My skin used to look very dull, and also I don't have even skin tone. So for me also, I can see some pigmentation on the forehead and around my mouth. So this product actually, when I started applying, so I found visible results, like my skin used to look more young, and also I can sense the radiance. So and also it gives me even skin tone. So I would suggest this product for everyone to use it, and it's one of my favorite product. And also it is free of parabens and any other kind of mineral oils. So and it is also dermatology tested, so no parabens as well in this product. It's good to use. So that's friends, that is all my review about Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe to my channel and support me. If you want any other queries, or if you would like to see any other videos, please do mention in the comment section. I would like to take the videos.